Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use scopes in DaVinci Resolve. To begin, navigate to the color page. On the bottom right of your interface, locate the Scopes panel. Click on it to reveal the different scope options available. You can choose to display 1, 2, or even 4 scopes simultaneously for a comprehensive view of your image's technical data. These visual tools are absolutely essential for making precise and objective color grading decisions, ensuring your footage looks professional and consistent across all viewing platforms. The waveform monitor is your primary tool for evaluating exposure. It displays the luminance or brightness of your image from left to right, corresponding to your video frame. The vertical axis represents brightness, with 0 being pure black and 1023 being pure white for a 10-bit signal. Use it to ensure your blacks aren't crushed and your whites aren't clipped, meaning they retain detail. Aim for a balanced distribution, avoiding values that hit the very top or bottom lines unless artistically intended. Next, let's explore the vectorscope and RGB parade. The vectorscope helps you analyze color hue and saturation. The center represents desaturated colors, while points further out indicate higher saturation. It's crucial for checking skin tones, which typically fall along the skin tone line between yellow and red. The RGB parade, on the other hand, shows the individual red, green, and blue channels as separate waveforms. Use it to balance your colors, ensuring your whites are truly white and your blacks are truly black by aligning the 3 channels. Finally, the histogram provides a graphical representation of the tonal distribution in your image, from darks on the left to lights on the right. It helps you quickly identify if your image is underexposed, overexposed, or has a good balance. Remember, the key to professional color grading is to use all these scopes in conjunction. Don't rely on just one. Cross-reference them to make informed decisions. By consistently applying these techniques, you will achieve visually stunning and technically accurate results in all your projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.